Okay, so now we've exported our maps from Substance, we can go back to Blender. So let's go back to Blender, and I've just gone from the UV editing, modeling, etc. room into shading. So in shading, I've hit the Z key and I've just gone to rendered to give me a flat box without a background. So it's Z and then rendered. Okay, so down here we have our shader setup. So you can see we've got base color, subsurface, metallic, specular, roughness, etc, etc. So we've got some maps that are going to help us drive this, so let's bring those in. So if I open my directory with those images in, I can either drag them in one by one, or I can drag them all in at once. Will it drag them all in at once? Oh no, it doesn't. That's annoying. So this one is what? Base color. Okay, so it's brought base color in for me. So I just need to drag and drop and connect that to base color, and there it looks like our crate. Well, the color of it anyway. So on top of that we need the other maps, so let's drag those in as well. Now I've realized that it won't do that, and I'm going to drag roughness in, and again I'm going to grab color and I'm going to attach that to roughness, and you'll see that now when I rotate my model around, we're getting some shine from some areas and not from others. Now of course, now there we go, you can see across the top, you see it's quite shiny at this end, it's shiny here, but it's got some blank spots in it where it's much rougher. So let's move that out of the way. Now our metal map here is a little bit redundant in that it's all black. So there's no actual metal information in this, but I'll grab it and plug it in anyway. There we go. Okay, so the last map is the normal map, and we need a little bit extra for this, so let's drag the normal map in first, just down here somewhere. Now I need something to tell Blender that this is a normal map. So firstly I need it to be set to non-color. So just make sure that it's not an sRGB, just make sure that it's set to non-color. And then I need to plug that into a normal map node. So press the space bar and type in normal map, and then we get the normal map mode up. There we go. So I can drag my color into my color there, and then I can drag this output node into the normal, and now it should have some actual kind of texture to it. So that's setting up the maps essentially. Nothing too exciting. There is more you can do of course, but you know, I'm not going into too many details. I'm just getting you kind of up and running with getting, you know, up and running with Blender essentially. So you know, by now you've probably made a crate, and that's terrific. Hopefully you've gone into Substance if you have it, and have followed along there as well, and you should have like a first model, maybe even first painted model. Okay, so I hope you found that useful, and I hope very much again to talk to you in another video set. So talk to you soon.